Here we are, back in the shop, garage, yard, house, doing more stuff. So, look at this thing. It's got 4 wheels, but doesn't have an engine. So here's this is our dump trailer for the business, for our remodeling business. Doing a little door repair today. So this was my doing on why this hinge is all bent. I just got done straightening this and I was like, oh, let me grab the cameras. This was all bent almost like 45 degrees. And this is the cam latch for the door. I just smoked the brand new straps that we bought for the race car. There's a sharp edge down here and I didn't think, and I started cranking on it and it just shredded that strap. So now we got to get a replacement strap. Trying to save money fixing this stuff myself, it might end up costing money, but I think in the end we'll still come out on top, as opposed to taking this to a trailer repair shop, having them fix it, weld it. I mean, I was able to straighten this bar out, so that's fine. I still got to weld. I got to weld a new tab on the bottom. I got to cut all this weld off right here, grind all that smooth, get away all the paint and stuff, and then unbolt this and replace this hinge. I went and picked up a couple new hinges a couple weeks ago, so yeah, I should be able to. I'll have to like cut away all this because I'm going to need, actually I don't really need this pin, but I'm probably going to cut this off, weld all that back on and get this trailer fixed up. So that's what we're doing here today in NSFAB. Oh, the way I destroyed this was I brought in some more rock along, I don't know if you can kind of tell, along the left side back here, which I need to get a compactor, and I think this rock was a little bit too big. Maybe not. I just need to compact this because you put it a lot in and there's some spots that like it just, because it's not compacted, it just kicks up. So it was really light, and here I filled this in because there's this ledge. This ledge was more aggressive. It was probably like 6 inches down. Filled that in so when we're pulling trailers in and out, it doesn't bump. But anyways, I have the dump trailer. It's got a hydraulic ram so you can lift up and you can dump it. Well, when I was dumping it, I had the doors open and latched, but I didn't catch it. I'm surprised this post is still there. It like scraped this post, but somehow it bent the hell out of the metal on the door. I don't know how that post didn't break. It's a pressure treated post, and that's a strong ass post. So I'd rather, I mean, this is probably easier than replacing all that. I don't know, vice versa. 6, half dozen, one or the other. So that's how we jacked up the door on the trailer. That was my doing. This thing's been parked for not that long, but now we got a flat tire, so it's probably got something in it, so I have to address that. There's always something when you own a lot of moving vehicles / trailers. There's always going to be something. I'm happy, I'm fortunate, I'm lucky to be able to be in a position to have these trailers, because it helps obviously with work. I have to rent a roll-off dumpster or nothing. We fill these off, take it to the dump. It's been great for doing remodels, guts, clean outs. It's just a dedicated, pretty much trash trailer. I used it to move some landscape, some rock and stuff. So, but it's a great trailer. I just jacked it up, got to get it fixed because we're probably going to be needing it in a week or so. We got a big bathroom remodel coming up on the books, so we'll be needing it shortly. So had a little bit of time, it ain't gonna take me long. Obviously I got the welder, everything here. It's not like it's got to be like 100% structurally sound, because it's just a door. It's not like, so the MIG welder I got, the 110, will do plenty. And then we got NFT back in the garage for the replacement parts, which you guys just saw on the race car, or on the video to Pueblo. We broke, so we got replacement parts to replace both of those rear spindles. Plus I picked up an additional set in case those ever break. They'll be in the trailer because it's a quick swap. You can totally do it at the track. I even bought brand new bearings that I'll put in on both sides, plus another set of brand new bearings that'll be in the trailer, so that way in case the spindle does break or something and smokes the bearing, hey, we got replacement bearings. So pretty much all the parts that you can replace that would cause issues on that, I got, and I'll have it in the trailer, so that way it doesn't happen, you know. This is our only 3rd year racing at this caliber, so I'm sure there's going to be something down the road too that breaks that we're not going to have. I mean, hopefully at one point in the racing career we'll have a spare transmission, a spare engine, so that way, you know, if it is really catastrophic, we can swap stuff. But right now we just kind of are collecting spare parts as they break. Hopefully, you know, the engine should be sound. Definitely after this season, I am going to pull the pan, check the bearings, do all that type of stuff, because I haven't done it since I've owned the vehicle. It's been like 3 years. So I change the oil. I change the oil pretty much every pass because that's how much oil it burns. But anyways, this video is not about NFT. This is about the trailer. I'm gonna strap on the chest cam and then take you guys along for the journey of fixing this guy. So said we do it all here at NESFAB, baby. You know what time it is. It's GSD. All right, we're suited and booted. You guys are with me. You're around my neck and you're close to my heart. Let's get a little fluids. Can we get a Minute Maid sponsor? So we're gonna pop this off, unbolt this. Hopefully that should kind of let the door sit a little bit better. Start. Oh, maybe should I? What if I should leave that bolted for now and start grinding, Start grinding that away. So that way the door isn't completely floppy. Kind of like that idea. Let's do that. Grab our extension cord up here. Look at this. Don't look at that. That poor race car just been getting abused. Abused. Okay, welding helmet on. These big old bad boys. We just got to kind of pull that forward. And some of those were really good. Some of them are not that very good. Hey, though, looky. Can we get in here? Weld this side real quick. Oh, it's hard. Can't see. There we go. Where's this? Damn ground was messing with it. Let's see. Since it's welded, we don't need it right there. See if this provides a better enough ground. God. Okay, that's plenty good for this damn door. It's tough to weld in the direct sun. The visor doesn't want to work all the way on the... So we just got to weld on the bottom of that guy real quick, and that should be good. Or not. All right. No bueno. It's nice and tight. Just because there's crap in there. Yeah, this might be because it's slightly bent still, but I mean, hey, the latches, it's good, it's functional, it won't swing open. Trash trailer, repaired. Sweet! And so I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit. Let it cool off, same thing with that, clean that up. And then hit it with some black spray paint. Gloss black, engine enamel, and ceramic. Help it prevent from rusting. How much stuff have you guys spray painted in your life? I've gone through quite a bit of spray cans. Whoa. Don't forget the back side. Always hit it from the back. Boom. Looks like nothing even ever happened, huh? Let's see. Not too bad, whatever. Door's functional, door's back. Problem solved. So let's pop this tire off real quick. There she is. Damn it. Oh, and a staple? Is this all? That's good. Yeah, that's our culprit. Yep. Door's all welded up. Working on the big old screw in the tire. That's why she was loose. or that's why she was low. All right, let's lube it. Oh, that's a lot. Gonna ream it out. Gotta make sure we get this in there, the hole big enough. Okay. Okay, that's chilling. So let's set up a sticky guy. Slap this guy through here. Do halfway, okay. And then just kind of get it nice and clean. Slam this guy down there. Don't shove it all the way in. I try to leave a little bit out. And what you do is just yank that sucker out. It slices it, and it's good. Okay. And then down with all this. Oh. Put your lube away. No one finding that. Or maybe you do. Okay, take a little. This is a cool little kit Rhino has. Okay. Just take the blade and just kind of cut it flush with it. Okay, and then let's finish pumping it with air. I'm gonna put 55 pounds in it. Boom, right on the money, 50 pounds. You like wish you could be that good. Come on, I challenge you. Anybody, we start here GSDing, baby. Getting stuff done. Put this bad boy back on and we are done with the dump trailer. It's like NASCAR. Start pack. Boom. Ship it.